Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that I've had a few comments on, and I actually was playing around with my, going through the File Explorer and shifting around some of the files, deleting some old stuff. And one of the things I do notice is that if you remember, I posted a video talking about the sluggishness of the files and how it was weird that it took an enormous amount of time to delete a file and so on. And I was not alone in having that issue. And it was an off and on issue. Some days it could be fine, and some days it was slow, and it was kind of weird. But a lot of people had reported that the File Explorer didn't respond well. Now, when we got the updates on Tuesday this week for the bug fixes, one of the things that it did, and that is mentioned in the blog post, is that they fixed some of the issues concerning the File Explorer freezing on certain types of files. And now what's interesting is they talk about how if you went to check like the security permissions and stuff like that of files, that File Explorer would freeze. So it's not technically related to what we have, but I've had at least 5 or 6 of you come back to me and say, you know what, since the bug fixes, my File Explorer is back to being fast and works fine like it did before. And I have to say that since we had the update this week, I haven't had any issues of, sluggishness when I delete videos or when I change things around. It does seem to be pretty fast like it used to be before. So I would guess maybe part of the File Explorer fix maybe fixes something else that is related to our File Explorer. So I'm asking you guys, those that had the File Explorer kind of be slow and behave weird, what do you feel like is the update, if you have applied the update, of course, did that update seem to fix the problem? Is your File Explorer back to normal fast speed like it was before? I'd be curious to know. It seems to hit only Windows 11 22H2, and it seems to hit only those that have solid state drives. So this is something that, so if you have Windows 11 22H2, solid state drive, and you had the slowdown of the File Explorer, is it fixed if you have applied the update this week? It's pretty much the question. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.